series, and after the win at Bristol, it would certainly appear as though that Joe Gibbs and that Toyota team have got him right on the Sprint Cup side. He has put himself in the perfect position to get ready to go for the chase for the championship.
Without a doubt. Yeah, anytime he climbs into a race car, he's good. And that's what a lot of folks just come to see what Kyle is going to do. Kind of fiery. He's had an attitude. Fans like that. And of course, for the other competitors, they just like to beat him. But unfortunately, they don't get a chance to do it very often. Todd came in this weekend saying, I'm not going to worry about Kyle. You know, I want everybody to get mine. And so that's what's going to make this so interesting. It's about to break out here at Chicagoland Speedway as we're going to a green-white checker finish. The field is stacking up for the restart in front of Rick Kane over turn 3.
Two Toyotas ahead of two Chevys right now as they come across for the final time. We hope not at full speed. But remember, we heard on pit road, guys, that the short runs, you can hang with a guy using the draft. Todd Buddite used that to his advantage earlier, and darn near took the lead away. Let's see what he's got here.
We are about to find out. There is nobody sitting down here at the Chicagoland Speedway. The final 2 laps of the